Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping by today to see what I have to unbox. I have a Boxycharm box, and I do believe this is the premium. This is super heavy and it's a little bit bigger of a box. I'm hoping it's premium. I just slit the tape. I have not looked and I have not seen any spoilers. I have not watched anybody else's videos. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. You receive 6 full-size products, beauty products. Value of at least $175. You get to customize 2, whereas Premium 1. I think, good question. I think it's just 1, and then the Luxe is 2, and Boxycharm Base is 1. So let's make sure this is Premium. What? Boxycharm Premium with Norvina, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I knew about the Norvina palette because we had to pick. I didn't know it was a box takeover. Awesome. Here's the card. Wow. Then they give a code on the back. Buy one, get one 50% off at Anastasia. I guess it doesn't matter. You guys could probably use that code if there's something you want. So we have 6 products. Descriptive and prices. Oh, I'm surprised. I did not know that. Well, let's do this first because this is the palette that I chose. There were just 2 choices. I'm not sure what the other one was, but this is the one I chose. This is like volume 3, I think. Yes. I remember picking that. This is a little out of my comfort zone, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. If I'll keep it. It's really packaged well. Oh, this is what it looks like. Like an all plastic case. Here's the back. Let's see how this is open. Oh, it's magnetized. Ooh, beautiful mirror. Does have a protective shield. I'm just going to use this black box to protect the mirror so I don't blind you guys. So, like I said, this is very out of my comfort zone with this palette. It is gorgeous. But, I mean, there's really, the shades that I know I would not use are the top 2 brighter greens, that like pinky reds, and the reds no, the oranges no. But there's some neutrals and some plums. Purple I'm usually careful of not to do. Sometimes I'll just use a deep purple versus brown for the corner, to darken the corner. Sometimes brown's too harsh for me. But this is overall a really nice palette. I love it. What do I do with that? So we'll put that back on just to protect, keep everything protected. And that is completely magnetic. Ooh, that is beautiful. I'm just going to put this back here so that nothing happens to it. And let's see what else is in the box. I'm just going to take this off. And we'll get rid of this too. So I can give you guys a little sneak peek there. Nose is running. We'll just put that here. Hopefully it doesn't blow away. I do have my fan on it. Hopefully, I know you can probably hear it a little bit. Where do I start? Let's start here. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil. That's what this is. Let me find it on here. Oh, the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3 is $60. So this here is ABH Shimmer Body Oil, $38. It's a Luxe lightweight body oil that gives skin a shimmering sun-kissed glow. Has a vanilla scent. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Generally don't use products like this, but ooh, that needs to be shaken up a little bit. Look at that. It's like a perfume bottle. How does this? And it's a pump. Ooh, that's very shimmery. I don't know about that, honestly. To be honest, don't know about that. Oh, my nose is running crazy today. So let's see what this other big thing is. And I told you $38, right? And then this is loose setting powder. I did see this second. This is $38. Did you guys know it was an ABH Takeover? I honestly did not. Like I said, I have not seen anyone's video. Wow, that's some nice packaging right there. I mean, you can see the size of it. It's pretty big. Hopefully there is, yes. There is a protective shield, and this is translucent. I'll show you the bottom again. Translucent, which is what I prefer, or banana powder. A lot of people don't know how to use banana powder, and it's really not a bad powder to put over to hide some dark. Like, not like deep, deep, deep dark, maybe like a bruise dark, but just maybe a little bit of darkness, or like to hide, maybe to cover up some shadows. It really does work well. Oh, let's do this next. So I'm excited. The body oil, I'm not sure if I'll keep that. I might, but the loose setting powder, not a problem. So what is this? We have a liquid lipstick, $20. Dries down to a weightless matte finish, and I have Ashton. Hopefully it's, I mean, these colors are all wearable because you can mix them. 1, 2 different shades. So that's what that looks like. Let me hold it up to the box. Sometimes it's a little easier to see the shade. I'll swatch it because obviously I'm going to keep it, but it's a little, that's a chunk. So that's a little dark. I don't mind a dark lip. So there it is right there. So you can see it in the tube and then on your skin. Not bad. And if it's too dark, I just put a lighter coat on or mix it with something else and mix it in on your lip. Like I have a MAC lip on and then a little bit of a Tarte Balm on top, just to, you know, give it some extra depth. $20. We still have 2 more items in here that are Anastasia. What is this? Anastasia Brow Definer, please. Oh, thank goodness. Here, and I did get taupe. Thank goodness. Taupe is my preferred. I can get away with like a light brown, medium brown. I just have to go sparse. So that's what the packaging looks like. And this is $23. So we have a, I like when there's a spoolie mixed right in, but I also love the one I have that is all by itself, because then it's so much easier to wash. Okay, why is this not coming up? Turn it the wrong way. Oh, there it comes. You can see right there. It's just going to be a taupe. Warm it up to your skin a little bit. And hopefully you can see that on my hand. Just a light brown, which is all I need. A lot of times I just prefer the gels. And I'm using today her actual brow gel. I love it. Got a little sample, but then I got a full size too. And what is this? Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Now that's a full size one, so I don't know if I'll keep that. And this is $25, probably black, I would assume. I shouldn't assume, but I wish they would start giving us some colored mascara. Look at the packaging on that. Beautiful. I'm not going to open it to start its time. Yeah, I can't read the bottom of that. It's so tiny with I'm sure that's not going to focus. I'm sure it's black. But like every once in a while, maybe a brown, some colored mascara would be nice. Like I said, I don't see a shade on here at all. So this, maybe the mascara and the body oil might go in my giveaways just because I don't think I'll use them. The other items I definitely will. Let me pause for one moment and grab my phone so I can give you a total. Okay, have my phone, so I wanted to get a tissue. Okay, so let's add this up. So $60 for the palette, which is expensive. $38 for the setting powder. $25 for the mascara. $23 for the brow definer. The lipstick is $20, and then the bottle oil is $38. My premium has a value of $204 for the $35 box cost. I love it. I don't have any problems with that whatsoever. And I'm kind of glad I didn't know. I know I saw from Joseph, he was telling us about some products. Let me just use my tissue. My nose is itchy and runny. But I didn't think it was going to be a premium takeover, which I'm happy with every once in a while. So the ABH Takeover for July 2021's premium box. So excited for this. Thank you so much for watching. Did you get this one? Are you sorry you didn't sign up? if you are and you want to sign up for the future and you still might be able to get this, you can use my link down below. I do get points, and any points that I accumulate from anyone signing up with my links, I save them, and I usually pick a palette like in the charm store or things like that, and then I put them immediately in a giveaway. I do not get anything for myself. I just give back to all of you with the points. Or use somebody else's. It doesn't matter to me. I'm not telling you you have to. It's whatever you feel you would like to do. But use a link and give somebody, you know, give points. I'm sure you could still get this if you're interested. I don't think, I mean, unless they're done with July and I'm already moved on to August. But you never know what August will bring. So let me know down in the comments what you thought about this box. I love it. And I will share these two products in my giveaway box just because I know I won't use them. And I hope you're all having a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.